the size of these boulders. Massive. The size of a car.
You need to put like books under the pool table to keep it level.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe a pack of matches for the dining room table. That's nice.
Isn't that something?
It's a well-built house. It's just got
Yeah.
and it's still fun. Like
It's amazing how quick all this happens.
yeah, well, you'll have builders say, "Oh, your foundation's shifted by 5 millimeters. We need to rebuild the whole thing." That has shifted by like 15 meters. And it's still totally intact. And the windows are still intact.
It's the entire building, not even the other side of the building, is a different angle. It's all the same angle.
Yeah.
It's all like, that's crazy. These boulders are massive. These are coming right off the top, aren't they?
Look at these ones here.
They're ready to go as well.
Yeah.
That's why we're on this little road. God,
We've just been down this road, landslides all the way down the road. I mean, we're following the sat-nav, the road we're on has been washed away in several places. Amazing. Welcome to Taiwan.
Like disorientated, you get daytime on that night.
This is my left foot, this is my right foot, and this is my head. Como is that?